In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product packaging design right within Canva. This tutorial is designed to be quick and easy, perfect for those looking to make a professional impact without investing a lot of time or needing extensive design skills. To get started, open Canva on your computer or app if you haven't already. On the home page, you'll find the search bar, and here you'll want to type in Packaging Design. Once you've entered this, a variety of templates and ideas will appear, curated specifically to kickstart your creative process. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the different styles and options available. These templates are fantastic because they provide a solid base. You can create something truly unique without having to start from scratch. Now, let's move on to browsing through these templates. This is where you'll select one that fits your product's style and brand. As you scroll through the options, it's essential to consider how each design will complement your product. Whether you're going for a sleek and modern look for tech gadgets or a more earthy, organic feel for natural products, let your brand's identity guide your choice. Once a template catches your eye, simply click on it, and you'll be taken to the customization options. This is where the fun begins. Customizing the template to make it your own. At the top of the template page, you'll see an option to customize this template. Click here, and it will open up the Canva editor, which is where true creativity can flourish. You'll find a host of tools to personalize every element of your design. Start by editing the text within the template. Consider what key information your customers need about your product. This is crucial to make sure it stands out. You might want to include the product name, a catchy tagline, or essential details like ingredients or usage instructions. Don't forget to adjust the font style, size, and color so it aligns with your brand's aesthetic. Remember, great typography can really catch the customer's eye and effectively convey your message. Finally, it's time to explore changing any images or graphics so they align better with your brand. Canva has a rich library of images you can draw from, or you can upload your own graphics or photos to make the design truly yours. Play around with filters, adjust the color balance, and ensure everything feels cohesive and on brand. And there you have it. With just a few clicks and a bit of creativity, you've designed a product package that resonates with your brand and captivates your audience. Remember to download your final design in the right format for printing or sharing online. I hope this guide helps you create memorable packaging designs in Canva, showcasing your products in their best light. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.